We will guide you through how to make spinning CD effect CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch CapCut and start a new project. Open the stock videos section and choose a solid white background or another background color that matches your desired design. Add the selected background to the timeline and adjust its duration to cover the entire effect. Next, open the Stickers menu from the editing toolbar and browse the sticker library for an album cover image or sticker. Add the album cover to your project, then resize it and position it where you want it to appear on the screen. Return to the Stickers section and use the search bar to look for a vinyl or CD sticker. Add the CD sticker to the project and adjust its size so that it matches the proportions of the album cover. Position the CD partially behind or beside the album cover, depending on how you want the disc to appear when it slides out. Select the CD sticker layer and use transform keyframes to create the sliding movement. Add a starting keyframe while the CD is mostly hidden behind the album cover. Then move the playhead forward and create another keyframe after moving the CD outward. This creates the appearance of the CD sliding out from the album cover. Once the sliding motion is set, select the CD sticker layer on the timeline and open the animation options from the bottom toolbar. Switch to the loop animation category to find animations that continuously repeat during the clip. Browse the available looping animations and select rotate to make the CD spin continuously. Adjust the rotation speed according to your preferred style, making it faster for a more energetic effect or slower for a smoother presentation. Play the entire sequence several times to make sure the sliding and spinning movements work together smoothly and that the CD does not move too far away from the album cover.